All right, now we've got somebody who owes a credit card company $3,400. Now, this function here, A equals, right, the standard exponential function. This is the amount of money that the person would owe the credit card company, if you start out with owing this much and you go for that many years. So the function A equals A naught e to the whatever models the amount of money an individual owes a credit company T years from the initial debt. Now, here's our problem. If a person currently owes $3,400 and makes no payments, how much time will pass before that $3,400 goes up to $20,000? So our problem is to find T, find the amount of time for which A equals $20,000. How long will it take until that amount owed is $20,000? So let's start with our equation here, our function. Our function is this. A equals A naught e to the 0.125t. Now notice, before we go any further, here's our start value. That's going to be 3,400. And this function here, this is a growth function. The base is e, 2.718, is bigger than 1. So I've got growth, and the exponent, the coefficient is positive. So I have positive growth. This is a growth function. So as time goes by, this function is increasing exponentially. So the A we're looking for is 20,000. A naught, that's our start value, that's 3,400, equals e to the 0.125t. This is an exponential function, right? The variable's in the exponent, so we'll solve it by using logarithms. But first of all, let's isolate the exponential by dividing by 3,400. So this will give us 20,000 divided by 3,400. That's equal to e to the 0.125t. So we have an exponential function here, right? We've got the variable in the exponent. We solve exponential functions using logarithms. So let's take the ln of both sides. So how about ln of 20,000 over 3,400 equals the ln of the right side. But the ln of the exponential just undoes that. So we're just going to get the exponent, which is 0.125t. And I'm going to solve for t by dividing by that 0.125. So we're going to get, I'll do it up here. T is equal to ln of 20,000 over 3,400 divided by 0.125. And now what we're supposed to do is round this to 3 decimal places. So when I did on my calculator, I got this to 3 decimal places, 8.242. So, and what this means then is that if this person who currently owes $3,400 makes no payments now, in a little over 8 years, that $3,400 debt will go up to $20,000.